Kate Madlala wanted to build a private terminal inside OR Tambo International Airport. One thing that you must know about Kate Madlala, he's a man of big ambitions. Lochan, ngubafana msiza lo. Guys, niyakhumbula Kate Madlala wathini lapha ku-Auto Commit. Wathi you do not need to know how to fry a chicken if you want to own a KFC. You can own a KFC without knowing how to fry a chicken. That was Kate Madlala, close quote. So the News 24 Jeff Weeks have reported that Kate Madlala, prior late deal 360 million, he was in talks with the Nedbank to build a privately luxury like terminal lapha inside OR Tambo ngaphakathi. So this private owned luxury terminal, it was for those people that are flying in the country and outside the country, as well as domestic flights kanjalo. This luxury terminal is over exclusive to wealthy or rich business people, and as well as Nedbank black card holders, exclusive only. If you are using this exclusive luxury terminal, bozokuthola a VIP treatment, as well as nezinye izinto nje esifana like luggage wrapping, fast tracking in terms of immigrations, and as well as some confirmations of booking like hotel, car, etc., and a chauffeur as well. And the futhi bozoba ne pre-boarding screening, smoking room, like cat VIP protection, and as well as escort to a fly-in. If you are a Nedbank card, black card holder, bozokuthola like fine dining before qualify, uzokhona ukuthola ukudla, even the breakfast, private showers, bar, fully stocked bar, sleeping pods, nokunye okuningi. Like this luxury terminal bezoba exclusively to abantu abanemali, and as well as Nedbank black card holders. So in short, if you are using this terminal ya Kate Madlala, bengeke usajama queue, no queues, no crowded terminal lapho OR Tambo, private escort to the fly, access to private lounge, private movement, and as well as private boarding when we are using these services. So this idea was pitched to Nedbank, and as well as Nedbank now it was in talks with Kate Madlala. So guys, let's talk in the comment section. Do you think this was the good idea for somebody like Kate Madlala or any black child to own a private terminal lapha OR Tambo International Airport? Because technically, if you are owning a private terminal OR Tambo International Airport, you are having an access to a national key point, and as well as you control the people that are coming in the country, and as well as going out in the country, because you've got access to immigrations. Understand? Like the billionaires of South Africa, the Oppenheimers, they've got something like this that Kate Madlala wanted, which is called the Fireblade Terminal. Now it's luxury, it's for people that are moneyed, abantu abanemali. Private FBO, fixed base operations, elapha OR Tambo. The other thing engizibuza yona guys ukuthi if ever you've got a private terminal, ake sithi kunomuntu oshushumbisa iziyobisi, izidakamizwa, ngisho wona amapilisi, ipowder, akusiyi loophole to that syndicate? That is just my question. Let us talk in the comment section with what do you think about these developments.